Training today, Sunday, is very hard. This U10 our practice. We started. They do pass quickly. Pass. You pass. You see, in the holidays we have many children here. You see this Mbrabutur pitch. On the holidays, all children they come back on the holidays. Then listen, you see, we have many children here. But we need the support. You see, when you have the 50 children prayers, when you have the 10 ball, is a few. We have sponsors from federation. If you see, although APR, I think APR is important in football of Rwanda for building our children player. We need their support when they will see this video. APL or Leo Sport, there's the players. Next years you will need them. Listen, try and help them. Play quickly. Vuba ariko tubikore vuba twihuta. Ihute nta guhagarara. Ihute baro udasanga yagutsicitse. Ihute vuba. Ihute bikore wihuse vuba. Ihute vuba. Ihute tanga baro wihute wowe. Ihute kore vuba wihute wowe uragenda buhoro. Agape tugushyiremo hariya n'ubundi nta fomu ufite. Tugushyire muri barabana. Wihute nta guhagarara. Vuba ko muhagaze bite byawe. Ihute tishe baro. Ihute baro. Ihute. Gira vuba. You see, there's a goalkeeper. We have youngest goalkeepers. and headers, goalkeepers. See training of goalkeepers. See, they had the practice or had the training here for goalkeepers.